What's up, everyone? This is the Max Studio. Light and Sound. Sorry. Now set up for the new year. As you see, there's a umbrella. These are just temporarily attached. Let me remove the music. I don't wanna copyright it or anyone. This umbrella. Yeah. I'm really lucky. They have one brand new on my house. Well, it's a giveaway from the water station, which mineral water. So I actually temporarily attach using one of these cable tie. So you see, this is the setup. The laptop I put it inside because it's not ready because I'm gonna go and buy uh, uh, just, cooling pad for the laptop. Here's you see that hum. I need to. You have a lot of connector for the phone. One for here, and then one for the laptop, which is inside. I have my microphone with a homemade cable, which is heavy duty. Power cord. Light switches for the lights. So let me turn on this spotlight. Color one with the laser. Then a strobe light. Very cool. I just attached them, and it's not permanent like the zip tie. I know zip tie will hold it stably, but just because it's very cloudy. 30 minutes ago it's so cloudy on there. It's sprinkling a bit, and then I'm gonna go out. So I just put this just in case I did not go get. I did not get home very quickly. The speaker is just fine for a bit of rain sprinkling. Because this thing is a plastic thing material they attach, so MDF won't suck it too much. No, it's not. But hopefully this thing won't get wet because this thing will get rust. This thing will not get to the wood because it's painted. Hopefully it won't rust it anything. I have my 400 watt light on there. It's actually a metal halide which used for street lights, which I just installed it yesterday. So yeah, KTV. I did not put the TV just in case it will rain, and that's quite heavy actually. But I can get it in here. But just in case it get rain, I just disconnect this because this thing is speak on now. This one actually I use speak on, which is a round one, but doesn't fit because this hole's too big. Maybe I'm just gonna cut it and put one of those plated speak on, or but I'm planning to make another mid and eye, double 12-inch. This one you see same. See, I just daisy chain this. Actually, it's parallel. It's not. I'm gonna say it's not bridge. 4 ohms. It's not bridge. This is 8 ohm speaker. It's parallel. Bridging is, for example, one of your channel. Let's say we're gonna go to negative to positive input to the subwoofer, and then coming out from the mid-eye, and then coming out from the mid-eye again because it's double, and then going to the amp again. That's called bridge, which is 4 ohms. One of my fan on YouTube or subscribers, it says don't don't bridge because this thing are 8 ohms and you don't wanna. It says don't bridge it like that because it will do 4 ohms. But no, sorry, you're wrong. I'm not get bridge. This thing is parallel, so all 8 ohms. I did not get the Warfidel speaker, and then the Sakura 737 because I think they're using it. But I said, oh, okay, no problem. So I'm just gonna using my modded 502. It's actually because the voltage is, let's say, yeah, it's 35 volts divided by 8 ohms, and time is 35 again. equals around 73 volts. I mean watts. One channel. I mean sorry, around 150 watts, but divided by 2 for 2 channel. Yeah. But now it's 150 watts. Let's say the maximum is around 700 watts PMPO. And then 150 watts RMS. Bridge gonna be 350 watts 350 watts RMS. But I don't want a bridge because this speakers doesn't have a built-in crossover, so you can bridge it. No, if you did that without crossover, you might burn your speakers. So yeah, that's for today. This thing is actually Bluetooth. Connected to USB. This thing have a USB, but I don't want to putting out the CD and plug my USB. So I did is buy this. Actually, I just have that for 2 months ago now. 2 months right now. So this 502 is doing great. I mean, it's 2 channels, so parallel. We don't need 4 wires. Don't wanna waste wires. But if I get the 737, I'm not gonna using this for the mid-eye and sub. I'm in full range right now, so. But this one will work to the dual 12-inch speaker plus a horn. Maybe I'm gonna buy CY300 or Concert 500 watts. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you get a like, yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, let's do a range test. I forgot. No, I'm not too loud because on the church they actually the bell. You know, I don't want to get it loud, but just like that. Let me do it again. Oh, it's a beautiful world. This thing doesn't have one. There we go.